Are you too suffering from a messy, disorganized pantry? Hi, I'm Cassandra, and things in my life can get pretty disorganized very quickly. I cannot stand it. So I decided it was time to organize this pantry. I got these expandable shelves from the Container Store, and I got 2 of them. First things first, just get rid of the mess, clear it all out. And before you come for me, just know that I am pretty disappointed to see how much plastic we use today. I wish it wasn't so, but that is the reality. So when I bought these, I thought that I might be able to use them on their own, but they provide little to no support by themselves unless you put something heavy underneath them. I just decided to use them as one. And it fit perfectly on the bottom and top shelf. I got these containers from Amazon. Highly recommend them. They have been great. Just make sure when you get them that you soak them in some warm soapy water and then let them dry out completely for a few days. In the very beginning, they were a little tough to pop on, but after some normal use, they pop on and off without any effort. And don't mind my cute little pumpkins in the back. I did record this quite some time ago and just kind of kept forgetting about it, so I'm happy to share it with you now. Nothing makes me happier than an organized anything. Just opening the door and seeing everything in its place, knowing exactly where everything is, and having easy access to all your cooking needs. Honestly, what more in life do you need? Here's the big reveal. Can you tell how proud and excited I am of it? I was just so glad everything fit perfectly. And these shelves are so great. I've had no problem with them at all. They support a lot. I have my spices and canned foods, hot sauces on that second shelf there. And then on the bottom, it's supporting all of the oils, peanut butter. I even have some apple cider vinegar on there that is pretty heavy, and it has given me no problem at all. And a little before and after shot for you. Since I've recorded this video, we have gotten more containers from Amazon. I just really love them, and I knew that we could use extra storage. And thank you for watching always. Take care.